Hi, everybody. Guess what? We're going on a super special tour of space. Oh, I am so excited to show you everything.
Are you ready? Because we're about to visit planets and stars and all kinds of cool stuff. So you better buckle up, my fellow space explorers. Let's go.
Okay, so first things first, let's talk about where we live. And I don't just mean your house or your town, I'm talking about our giant home in space. It's called the solar system, and you can kind of think of it like a big family. The sun is like the super important grown-up, and all the planets and moons are traveling with it through space. How cool is that?
So right in the middle of our space family is the most important member of all. You guessed it, it's our very own superstar, the sun.
You know, the sun is actually a star, a giant fiery ball of really hot gas. It's just like all those little twinkly stars you see way up in the sky at night, but this one looks so big and bright because it's just way closer to us.
And wow, the sun is so important for us. It gives us all our heat to keep us nice and warm, and it gives us all our light so we can see and so the plants can grow. Oh, and it has a secret superpower too.
That superpower? It's called gravity. And it's kind of like a huge, totally invisible rope. The sun uses this gravity rope to hold on to all the planets so they keep spinning around and around it and don't just float away into deep space. Whew.
Okay, are you ready to visit some planets? I thought so.
First, we're going to check out the 4 planets that are super close to the sun. They're the small, rocky ones, kind of like our Earth.
And here we are, our very first stop, tiny little Mercury.
Look at it. Mercury is the smallest planet in our whole solar system. And it's the one that gets to be the very closest to the big, warm sun. What a lucky duck.
All right, let's zoom over to the next planet. Whoa, is it just me or is it getting really warm in here?
That's because we're at super hot Venus. Now, you'd think Mercury would be the hottest because it's closest to the sun, right? But nope, it's actually Venus. Its thick, kind of yucky clouds act like a super-duper thick blanket that traps all the heat in. So it's the hottest of all.
Hey, wait a minute. I know this place. Look, everybody, it's our beautiful home.
Ugh, Earth! Our planet is just so special. It's the only one we know of that has big oceans of water and is totally full of life. You know, like puppies and flowers and us.
Okay, let's keep going. Time for our last rocky planet on the tour. Let's go say hi to the famous red planet.
Here it is, Mars. But why is it so red? Well, it's because the rocks and the dirt on Mars are full of this stuff called iron, and it all got rusty. Kind of like if you left your bike outside in the rain for a really long time.
Okay, so we've seen all the little rocky planets, but now get ready for the giants. We're flying way out to see the outer planets, and these guys are huge, and they're made of gas.
Whoa, look at the size of that thing. We've made it to the biggest planet of them all.
Jupiter. It's just gigantic. It's so big you could literally fit all the other planets inside of it. Crazy, right? Oh, and see that big red spot? That's not a spot. It's a giant storm that's been going for hundreds and hundreds of years.
Okay, our next stop, this one might be my favorite. Wow, just look at Saturn's beautiful rings. Aren't they just the prettiest thing ever?
You know, those rings aren't one big solid thing. Nope, they're made of billions and billions of little chunks of ice and rock, and they're all spinning around the planet together. It's like a giant, sparkly hula hoop.
All right, this next planet is kind of funny. It's a little bit silly. Get ready for Uranus, the rolling planet.
So most planets spin around like a top, right? Well, something must have knocked Uranus over a long time ago. So now it just rolls through space on its side, just like a giant rolling blue-green marble.
Brr! Oh my gosh, it's getting so chilly out here. That can only mean one thing. We've made it to our last planet on the tour. Welcome to super cold, super windy Neptune. Since it's the farthest planet from the sun, it barely gets any heat at all. That makes it the coldest and windiest place in the entire solar system. Whew! I'm so glad I brought my space jacket.
Okay, so the planets are awesome, for sure. But guess what? They're not the only things out here. Let's do a super quick lightning round of some other cool space stuff.
First up,
Asteroids. They're basically big space rocks, and most of them just love to hang out together in this one spot called the asteroid belt. You can find it right between Mars and Jupiter.
Ooh, and look at that. It's a comet. Some people call them dirty snowballs, which is funny because they're made of ice and rock and dust. And when one gets close to the sun, it starts to melt and grows a long, beautiful, glowing tail.
And last but not least, we have dwarf planets. They're round, just like regular planets, but they're just too little to be in the big planet club. And the most famous one of all is Pluto. Hi, Pluto!
And that's our tour. How amazing was that? But you know, our solar system is still out there, full of secrets and cool things we haven't even found yet. It really makes you wonder, right? What other amazing wonders are hiding out there in space, just waiting for us to find them? Thanks so much for exploring with me. Bye-bye.